Easy Animator Pro is about creating animations quickly and easily with a wide variety of animations and versatility. And it also allows you to export these animations to a wide variety of formats so that you can use them with a bunch of different programs and applications. For example, you can export to SWF for use with Explain to You or Video Maker effects. You can export to GIFs so that you can do something like Pinterest animations or banner ad animations, Google+, Twitter, Facebook even. You can go to MOV with the QuickTime Transparency for programs like Camtasia, ScreenFlow, Final Cut Pro, After Effects, Sony Vegas Pro, and MP4 for those same programs as well. So you have a wide variety of options when it comes to utilizing these animations. Now let me show you how easy it is to create these animations. So we have a bunch of images here. Each layer over here is associated with a different image. And we have preset options where I can come in here and I can select this and I'll apply a preset. And now I've applied animations across the in, pause, and out states for each of those images. But I probably don't want it to be exactly like that. So what I can do is come to, say, to the pause state. I'm already there. We have these options where you can do selected, and that would make different changes just for the selected layer, or I can click on state. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that and click on none, and I'm going to click on, say, 5 seconds so that I can, read this, this animation or this image for about 5 seconds. And that can do is I can come back to the selected state and I can just go and I'm gonna make some changes. Maybe I want that to go, like that. And I can go down and animate these specific ones if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that. I just want to quickly demonstrate a bunch of different options for you. But you can see here that very quickly and easily I can make it my own. But by starting with the presets that kind of give me a head start and allow me to not have to click on the in, pause, and out states for each of these different images, which would take a long time. We do have the ability to lock the layers and also to delete them. I'm going to show you here that I can select all the images and even just kind of remove them all at once, and it will confirm that I do want to do that. Let me show you some text animations also. I've got some text that I already entered here, and I can come over here and you can see that I can change the fonts on the text properties tab, but I'm going to go ahead and leave what I've got there. I'm going to go ahead and hold the shift key and size that up to kind of fill the screen a little bit better, maybe center it a little bit better. If I want to, I can change the text color. I like this little orange. I actually have to double click on everything. I'm going to get everything. There we go. And I can change that and get it to a different color if I want to. And another thing that I can do now if I want is I can apply something like the presets that we just did. Let's do something different. How about this one? And that doesn't do much. That's easy and fun and everything, but here's where it really kind of gets fun. I can click on this and notice I have this split text option. If I do that, what it does is it takes each word and turns it into a separate block. And now if I come to the presets, I can apply a preset and animate each word independently, which is a lot of fun. And I can still come back and do some of the stuff that I just showed you. Say I'm going to come back to the pause, click on state. I want that to maybe last a little longer so we can read it for a while there. And I can even start to kind of take this and I can do things like I can go back here and make that a different color. Actually, I keep on forgetting I need to select all the text to do that. So I'm going to change that to a different color. And I can start to really kind of make very unique animations that really aren't possible with any other program, at least that I'm aware of. So let me come back over here. Let's do the presets. I'm sorry, I went to go to the pause animation. And I'm going to make that particular one zoom. And I'm going to come back and click on the other one, this other text animation here, and make that do, I'm sorry, I said zoom, I meant heartbeat. And now I can really have just a very unique animation. I missed that one. I go back there and do heartbeat. And another cool thing that you can do with this is you can go in here and you can actually make your own presets. So if all the presets that we have aren't something that you can use very much, you can make your own. And as you can also see down here, we have some fun little things called preset underlay animations, and you can click on these and you can even kind of combine them and create cool effects. So there's a ton of cool things that you can do with Easy Animator Pro. We're updating on a regular basis. This is version 1.6. I've updated it 6 times since December 2015. And I have another upgrade coming at the end of July. So thanks a lot for checking out Easy Animator Pro, and I hope you have as much fun using it as I do.